Down everybody, today is another track day with Project 3rd Gen, and we got two F100s now. So I got to go down and hit tech inspection, get the car teched in. Looks like it's going to be a fun track. I'll show you guys track map, and I'm going to be working first, running second. Good weather, sun's out, track should get some good heat in it, but it shouldn't be too hot today, so the car should run good. And we are doing quite a bit different setup than last year. So new 10-inch springs in the rear instead of 12, same weight. I have, what else do we do? Square setup on tires, so fresh tires out back. We're running disc brake with the 4th Gen Master and Booster. So quite a bit of different stuff. So we're going to be adjusting brake and probably still adjusting suspension. But I'm excited. Let's get out there and go. All through tech inspection, quick and painless. I'm going to go park the car and then we'll go out and do a track walk really quick. Won't waste too much of your time. And then we'll show you some cars racing and then I'll get to racing. It's going to be a little different. We're going to be starting backwards, like back towards the what normally like I said, I'm working first shift, so you got grid down there. There's all the cars staged. I'm on turn 1, so I don't know, just kind of help you guys understand if you haven't done any of these events. This is how Bremerton does it. Most of the groups around here that I've done at this raceway, you'll get assigned your work section. I'm in charge of the cones from here to here. If they get hit, I let the walkie-talkie guy know, and that's what I do. And I get to watch the cars rip through this section, and then you have so forth, turn 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Car's warming up. We're down here in grid. My lane's getting ready to go, but you know, my real question is this helmet make me look chubby, or is me being chubby making me look chubby? I don't know. I've heard it both ways. So we're gonna get staged up here, and I don't know what I'm predicting for my first run. Maybe, I don't know, mid to high 60s. I think so. Let's shoot for that. How about we just say a 65, 66, 65. All right. And like I said earlier at the beginning of the video, so this is going to be my first time running this new gear ratio. I ran a 342 gear ratio out back when I put the posi track in. First time posi track. First time with these rear springs. I am still adjusted exactly the same as I was before. They're the same weight spring, so hopefully, in theory, everything should be pretty close. And yeah, I'm excited. First event of the year. Let's do this. All right, here we go. Happy with that. So I ran a 63.49, so I think I got quite a bit more on the old table. The car felt amazing. Yeah, I'm really happy. Brakes felt good. I know I was way slower in a couple different spots where I can definitely make up some more speed, but completely different, obviously, posi, but man, the car felt good. I'm jazzed. Run 2. passed it, saved it, still picked up almost a full second. I ran a 62.645. First one was a 63.4. So definitely going for a 59. We're going for the 50s. We got it. Third run. I got my camera on the right spot for you guys. Welcome. I'm so kind to you. We're not gonna almost spin out this time. We're gonna go for a nice leisurely drive. We're going right here. All day. Thread the old needle. Out of gear. Good. Feeling good. Here we go. Turn around. Beautiful. Good. Feeling good. Feeling really good. What? 62.0. Well, I was faster. Sorry. All right, last run, fourth run. No way that was a 61. Well, I tried. At the end of the AM run group, picked up some time, definitely got down to a 61, didn't get to my 58. We should only have 4 runs in the afternoon after we have some lunch. So everyone definitely picked up some time and feeling good. So hopefully running into the afternoon, hopefully I can shave off another 2 seconds. More. Go. More. Stay in it. No, go.
Thank you, station 2.
Go. Go. First run, PM group. See if we can do it. Fastest time was 161. Roger that. was a 61.7 and I got a cone. So I don't know. Felt like it felt good. Felt like I was faster at the beginning. We're going for 60 flat. That's our goal. Ooh, brakies. Car is doing really good. Last run, I managed to hit a cone and go slower. So here we go. Chasing that 59. Roger that. See what we got. Faster, close, so close. So ran a 60.719. Still awesome. Car did awesome. Car stayed together. Still not blowing up. Awesome day. So much fun. You guys got to get out here. If you've been thinking about it, just do it. It's so much fun. All right, well, heading back to grid. All done for the day, but they're gonna let us do some fun runs. So, you know, I was like, well, the car did good. Probably shouldn't push it. Third gen guy talked me into doing some more runs. So tires are doing good. Everything's doing good. We're gonna get down here and do a couple more runs. You ready? King of the trailer park. Tire setup quite a bit better, huh? And brakes. That's an improvement. Yeah, that was faster even with you. Third gen guy is driving that V8 Corolla and he's just karate chopping cones. So we'll see what this track looks like. 59, boys. 59.6, and I let off early. Why did I let off early? All right, well, another awesome day out of Bremerton Raceway. Stayed a little late. Everything's cleaned up. We did some fun runs. It was awesome. I got my 59. Wasn't during normal racing, but nonetheless, I got a 59. Car is awesome. Like I said, with those changes we made, going to that 10-inch spring in the back instead of the 12-inch, getting the car flatter, going with a square tire setup. So what I mean by that, if you don't know, same size tire all the way around. Last year, I was running a 265 in the back, and now I'm running 255/40 all the way around. Car did good. It was warm today. It didn't get hot. I'm just super happy with it. Obviously, posi, ginormous improvement. Brakes, huge improvement. Dang old helicopter coming in. But yeah, it was an awesome time. I had 3 friends out here running with me. We're getting bigger and bigger in the group, and it's been so much fun. So I want to say thanks to QA1. The suspension has been amazing on this car. So yeah, thank you, and we got some more upgrades to do, so stay tuned. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like. I appreciate it. Page is still growing. I'm trying to improve my content. I even remembered to not put the video in the way this time, so I'm getting better. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe, and more to come.